One of the simplest ways to know if a woman likes you is the way that she messages you and her body language when she is around you. So, body language sign number one, if she constantly mess around with your arms right here, or if she likes to rub on your head. Also, when she's dealing with you, her toes are going to be directly pointed at you most of the time during the interaction. She may also hold on to your arm based on how friendly she is. Now, do not mistake being friendly for someone liking you. Some persons might be really friendly with you simply because they like your vibe, they like your personality. So even if she laughs or holds your hand once in a while to make a point or to carry you somewhere, it doesn't mean that she likes you. All right, but if she likes you, she's definitely gonna be more touchy on a more frequent basis throughout the interaction. And also when she's texting you, she's going to use blushing emojis. She's going to use a lot of emojis and gifs if she likes you. Also, if you want to know for sure, just ask her out. Ask her out and you will know. If she gets like a bit excited, then yeah, she got the hearts for you. And if you took her out on a date already and you're not sure if she's still feeling you, like you can see the way how she responds, if she is excited about you, if you make plans again. So if she calls you, she calls you, or if you call her, she picks up the phone and speaks with you, or she returns the call back. She communicates well with you. If she's not communicating that well with you, more than likely there's some other persons that she's entertaining and her roster is full. Or it's a case where, she doesn't really feel ready for a relationship. People go through things. You never know, people could be hurting. So yes, be understanding and don't sexually harass people. If a woman is showing you that she's not interested, just move on to someone that is actually interested. It saves both of you a lot of time and trouble.
Man them. You see, if a woman not spend money on you, that woman don't like you enough. When a woman like you, man them, she gonna go above and beyond for you. She gonna ensure that you're set straight, right? You gonna get all the nice sneakers. You're gonna get, she gonna even pay for dinner, right? She doesn't mind paying for stuff like that. She don't mind filling up your tank for you, right? When a woman like you, you're gonna know she gonna go above and beyond for you, right? You don't need to stress yourself. When a woman pull that credit card out or that debit card or that cash and start to do these things for you, right? You know you are winning. You know she likes you. Women don't do that type of stuff for men they don't like. So if you know a woman is doing that for you, she's a keeper. Stop chasing down them other chicken head girls. Because you got yourself a real one now.
3 signs to know so the girl where you talk to actually rate you. 1. If she annoying. Bro, if the girl annoy you, she rate you, dog. If she want the under your skin every minute, and every minute she bother you, she call you, she text you, I miss you, this and that, yo, she rate you, bro. Hold on for her, bro. Because them women, some of them don't know how them think they go still, isn't it? So yeah, so if she annoying to you, she rate you, bro. 2. If you shout her one day and say to her, if you shout her almost every time and say, yo, you touch this, you touch this, you touch this, you touch this, and she always want to go, regardless of how she look, she rate you, dog. You see, if you talk to a girl, bro, and she say, oh, she can't go this because her ear and she not rate you, bro. Because real woman always in a, real women that like you, are always want in your presence, regardless of how them look. Regardless of how them look. As long as them there on them man, them no business about nobody else. So, that girl rate you, bro. And 3, you will never believe if she spend money on you. Cause them nowadays, girl, yeah, mean. Them always talk about mean man, this mean man, that. But them woman are mean. You see, if you talk to a girl and she always tell us she don't have money, lie. My mother teach me that woman always have money, eh? So if she spend money on you, bro, she rate you, dog.
How Jamaican females ask if you are single.
Sammy, when your woman come beats. Me no want no girl. Come fight me over them man, you know. Oh.
5 things girls say when they do like you. Me no want nobody. They get tricked. Well, the little situation ship for me in a really work out so well, you know. So I don't really know what's going on, you know. We should hang out sometime. Go out, go on party, maybe watch a movie one time. You know, you're exactly my type. I like you too.
So here are 5 tips that you want to get familiar with if you're planning on dating a Jamaican woman. I'm going to start out with number 1. Jamaican women are very feisty. Call it salty, call it spicy, whatever you will. If you get caught up in your feelings easily or you can't hold your own in an argument, find somebody else to date. Number 2, do not talk to Jamaican women about dieting. I'm just warning you. If you value your life, don't do it. Number 3, respect her family. Even if she complains about them morning, noon, and night, do not offer any comments because it will come back to bite you. Okay? Number 4, if you can't afford a date, do not invite her out because if you talk to her about splitting a check, the check is not what's going to be split, if you get what I mean. And number 5, if you cannot dance, brush up on your skills before you take her to a party.
Man, this girl again, God.
Mama, you know something like him.
Zoe, leave me alone now, Zoe.
We're in the same class.
Jesus, let go of my shirt.
You come and go to school, right?
Which school? No.
Why not?
No, I'm a woman, Zoe.
You don't have no woman. You and her just meet like last week.
I'm a woman, Zoe. Like, if you're a problem.
So kiss me, man?
No.
Why?
I said no, Zoe.
So you can come and watch class now or no?
No, I'm not coming to class with you.
Why?
Girl, look at your big man.
Too big.
You want to get big?
You like it though?
What?
What my aunt?
What?
My pencil road.
What that?
What my aunt?
No. Alright, fine.
Give me a phone. Where you save my number as?
You don't worry about that.
Pass the phone.
Because... Why?
Yeah, your wife.
Why?
Me and your wife. See the girl where I talk to? Tell her it's my turn now.
Why you,
like, yeah.
Why you do that?
Come, we go one.
No, it's not you.
For the man them who come like a thing say, them blind to know when a woman really love them. Man them, here are some clear signs that a woman love and respect you. So stop going like you're blind to the thing. Sign number 1 is the biggest one of all. Man them, some of them woman you put no before for themselves. You understand? I want still a question for know if the woman them love you. You still a behave like you sound like a fool and a run up and go by the whole place like a rolling calf. Man them, some of them women they do some things for some man but they never know they not ever do in their life or dream for do. And still not appreciate and know say woman them love you. So you have to behave on yourself. Sign number 2. You see when you hear a woman a complain, my youth, she not complain for try push you away. She a complain because she not want you and her to break up. She not want to lose what you have. So she want you to sit down and listen. You see when a woman open up to you, my youth, I trust she trusts you.
Fellas, this one's for you. 5 signs a girl likes you. Let's talk about it. Number 1, this is a big one. Not every girl's love language is touch. So if she's being a little touchy with you, like hugging you, brushing against you, or finding excuses to be close, that's a sign. Especially if it feels playful or flirty. Number 2, she's telling you about her day. And I'm not talking small talk. I mean, she's telling you what she's doing, where she's going, and how she feels. Most girls don't like everybody in their business. So if she's letting you in, she likes you. Number 3, she makes time to see you. Like, hello, she could be anywhere else, but she's choosing to be with you. That means something. Number 4, she's comfortable telling you what she doesn't like. If she's honest about her boundaries or preferences, that means that she feels safe with you. She's not trying to people please. She's showing you her real self. Number 5, her friends know about you. And trust me, girls don't tell their friends about a guy unless they're serious. So, if the friends know, you're in.
2 signs that your girlfriend really, really like you. Especially a young relationship, not too old, fresh. This is 2 signs that your girl really like you, yo. Number 2 is very interesting. So stick around for it. Number 1, she is not afraid to spend her money or buy things for you with her own money. Yes, if she go through the store, she see a nice watch, she see a nice cap, or a glasses, or a chain, she will buy it for you because she want make sure make her man know say, yo, me love you. And our love language is buying gifts or stuff like that. So that is a great sign for sure say your girlfriend really like you, yo. No joke. Don't make it pass you. I'm not joke. She will go to her way to buy simple things for you. And even sometimes buy all big gifts. Man, she buy all a plane ticket for you. To fly you out. Now I'm going to say every girl, but some girl will do that if them have the money to do it. You see what I say? Yes, so pay attention to that. Number 1 sign, she really like you when she spend her own money on you. Number 2, and this one is very interesting. It kind of sketchy, but most women always ask this when them really like you. Where are we going? Or what are we now? So she basically ask you, me no want to waste my time, what we are do? Where are we going? What are we? That means that she really like you and she want the commitment. She want you put her in the wife role. Even if it is not getting married to her, she want to make sure say, listen, me I invest in you emotionally and somewhat financially, and me like you. So she want to make sure say, yo, she a number 1. And she want to make it known. She want to introduce it to her families and friends and everybody. Because she really like you, yo. Trust me, don't make it slide. Anytime a girl asks you, where are we going? Or what are we now? Trust me, she really like you, yo. Don't force yourself doing it. Take your time. If it's a good girl, where you trust her and like her, she's submissive, soft, and feminine, do your thing. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Do your thing. Trust your instinct and your mindset. See? So number 1, if she spend her money, she not afraid, she not mean. And vice versa, you do the same too. Buy her gifts as well and do that as well. See? Number 2, she always ask you, where are we going? Or what are we? Clear sign. She wants to be committed to you. Exactly. Let me know what you think in the comment section, females. See? If I lie me I tell, or true me I talk. And demand them too. If you not go through this before, yes. Right, Chuck. See? Let me know what you think. Hit like, follow, share. Just tell a friend, if you tell a friend about the movement. At the season. Reason we are reason. Good over evil. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up on yourself.
Not coming for you, by the way. But then, you have some of you women out there as well. You see, when you're not in love, sometimes someone, me don't know if someone never grew up with no father, or sometimes some of you even grew up with fathers. But nevertheless, when you're in love with a man, some of you ladies out there, you get so, me can't explain it, but it is very freaky. It is freaky to an extent. It is sick to an extent. And some of you out there, you should be ashamed of yourself. Right? But in love, when you're in love, so you can't do nothing about it. You don't want to wear the man underpants. You don't want to wear the whole of the man white t-shirt. You want to wear all the man cologne. You're wearing roll-on. You understand? The only thing we left you wear are shoes. But just because some man foot out they already little you know, wear more size 6 or size 8, so you can't wear the man shoes. Right? But when some other ladies out there, you don't want to sleep in the neck, as what me say. Right? You don't want to sleep on nice shirt. You don't want to spray all in cologne round the house just for smell when smell like for your own comfort. Some other ladies out there, you just have one look away about in a way when you're not in love with a man, you just really yam out. You are all yammed out. You understand? Suppose the man that did for no say son on yam out for one look a man. Eh? But big up on yourself, ladies. Keep being yammed out for that man. There's a reason why you're yammed out. Right? You love the boy.
If a woman is into a guy, she'll do these things. A bit of quick game, yeah? If you meet her in real life, eye contact, she's smiling at you the whole time. Even if your jokes are rubbish, you're chatting shit. The worst jokes ever. Cheese. Mature cheddar cheese. She's smiling at you. Eye contact. Playing with her hair. I ain't got no hair. I can't pull nothing. But she's playing with her hair. She's doing all the, you know, the strokey stroke. She's already planned your wedding, which hall you're getting married in. Yeah, the wedding reception, what food catering service you're going to get. Yeah, and thinking, yeah, this is my future. Based off that, just how you look and just your shit jokes or your funny jokes. You know what I mean? That's one thing. If she sends you pictures of her getting ready or a new outfit, she wants you to look at it, she'll show you and she wants to know your opinion. Even though she might not choose it, she wants to know, I wonder what my babes is thinking. This is even after 1-2 days. She's on you. She wants to know your opinion. Like, does this look good? Does this look nice? Yeah? She'll send you a picture of at the gym, like taking a selfie, like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, just sweating at the gym, babe. Do you know what I mean? Part of it. Even when you go out, she'll offer to pay for things. The ones that don't really offer, they don't really care too much. It's not about that, but they don't really care too much. It shows she's into you. If you're not feeling well, she'll even ask, can I order you something, babe? What can I do for you? Da-da-da-da-da-da. It shows she's into you. If she replies to your messages quick, she's into you. Do you know why? Because that girl, if she's good looking, she's got 10, 20, 30, 80, 160 man in the background trying to chat to her. But she's showing you attention. She's replying to you fast for a reason. Because girls can't handle so many different people chatting to her at the same time. So when they like something, they deal with it fast. If you don't show too much, they're going to sail away into the ocean and you're gone, mate. Yeah, because you fucked up. Yeah, so this is the game.